What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know, say the attacking boss there, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I me say attack. So, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so the other day, people, I covered a story about an incident that took place over in Barbados, my people. And me I tell us, viewers and subscribers, it is a very, very sad one. Because a Jamaican national people, a female, who a lot of people know, my viewers and subscribers, in the street over there, you understand, who a lot of people may have a local conflict with at times being female and female in the street people. Because you don't know the thing going on, especially over there in the Barbados people. You understand, when you come on to yardy and certain things, you know what I mean? It's not going to be a good look. Well, my viewers and subscribers, sad news struck, because this female, you know, body was found, people, you understand, at an abandoned house over there. And when them find our people, me I tell us it was in a really bad state, because basically she was there for a couple of days and things, swelling a go on and fly and one heap of something a go on, my viewers and subscribers. See? But now, my people, different thing has reached to the attacking boss attention now. And when we say different thing, people, mean great thing, good news. Because the perpetrator, my people, who is behind these people, a man who the police have strong evidence of, yo, a him response feed people, a him do it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, he was captured, my viewers and subscribers, over there in Barbados. And when me I tell us, them have strong evidence, people, strong proofs, yeah, him response feed. And plus, them have a lot more things upon him, people. Because now, me I get even information say he is a big dirty thinking serial rapist over there in Barbados. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, attack the same thing, the NEWLINK. But before me say nothing more, my people, I have a video, you understand, showcasing when the police comes a boom and go feed my people and made their arrest, you understand, with this piece of same thing over there in Barbados. So, me I go share it with you all, my people, and then the attacking boss drop back in. So watch this, people.
Listen, me and you no fuck off friend. Me and you no fucking friend. You can't get fair here. You can't get fair here. You can't get fair here. And you can't get fair here. This city bitch. This city was so bitch. This city bitch. City was so dog. She ain't want the money. Me and she no friends. And I just about she on the left, husband on the right. And she come out here and she can't get raw so fair. A dumpy crab. She's a dumpy crab. How bad she raw so Kentucky is cat and she shit his raw soul. Fucking dog. Ask him about you.
Any woman that gone back and turns on the phone making.
You support police, you support you all this. Where we put yours? You support you all this.
Barbados? Yeah, come. They coming trying to get your so come out. Look at he look, look at he look at you. He look at Sarah, come here. Yeah. What you?
That school up there, that government school. That like private school. No. That school there, in front of Furby. I know he. Okay, well, I want to take a picture. You did your taping. I do business here already.
But you know that he can do that. You know that all the time, just all the thing.
You make it? Well, I never know he live over there. He live over there? Yeah, he knows he live over there. I I do business with him enough time.
But me tell you, if you pay for it, you can get an escape.
And he's move out regular.
You, that all that bike? That bike
All
come
that
up
bike?
that all that had that bike last
That
time I
all
see
that bike?
that green bike there? That come up from
Yeah.
England?
Yeah.
All that had things in there. Like last time I see all that had that bike there, so but things in it because she sent me 2 things out to read that we didn't get back from the barrel. Jesus Lord, enough things come out today, boy. Let me go ask.
So my viewers and subscribers, you see that piece of sin thing the people, eh? Just look upon that piece of sin thing. They look how it big and sober and come like them big old steel lag. Eh? So you see how the wicked sin thing tan? Take out the woman 3 points, you know, for what reason me no know people. Eh? When do come some woman go do a mash works people and the woman say, yo, give me money and you know want pay woman and him brother come some woman take away the woman 3 points. Because when them find the woman people are body naked. You understand? So basically him get where he want, you know, people and do what he want to do. And when the woman say, yo, pay up time, him decide say him now want pay people and they say reach to where, you know, him take the woman 3 points. Because she was a lady people who stand up for your right. She was a lady who no play on a ram for cuss out nobody. You understand? She not scared, she not fear. Even though she not there Jamaica people and she there in another small island, she go come some boom and turn up and defend herself to anybody. Seeing that was the woman who them call him direct my people. But sadly, this piece of sin thing of people, this piece of sober hagger, this sober pig now comes some boom and take out the woman 3 points. But Jaja sees and Jaja knows. And when me I tell the people, lot of people over there in a Barbados who know this woman people, them not feel good about the whole thing. You understand? Not because that same thing there is a Barbadian people or whatever he or where he come from or where he want picture and a job from people. Them not back him. You understand? They not support him. Because them say, yo, it's a wicked and cruel and vicious thing that the same thing do to the woman. The way all the boy do the woman people and left her around the people and when them find her, you think? Jaja see service said people, Jaja knows but the truth. The woman are rotten. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, eh? But one thing I can tell the viewers and subscribers, no sin now go unpunished. You understand? No sin. See? Because when me do coverage people and me don't talk and me explain myself in the video and me don't say, look at no man, me not go discriminate against her and me not go say no bad things against her because me no know, you don't know what lead her to choose this as her career path. You understand? And this as a way for liberty. See? Me a lot of people me lucky enough to come some boom them fly go over our next small island and do find themselves in a good job. Maybe she wasn't one of those lucky one people and this is why she chose this occupation over there in Barbados. Zane, who to tell she left Jamaica with the mentality to go over there and go hustle same way. You understand? But me not go judge her people. Me not go discriminate against her, my viewers and subscribers. One thing me I go say, a straight attack for the piece of sin thing who comes a boom and take the woman 3 points, my people. Zane, straight attack for it. No joke, no leniency, no play with the attack when me I beat it upon it, people, because it was a cruel and it is a vicious and wicked thing. The piece of sin thing do to the poor woman over there. But as me say, Jaja sees and Jaja knows and Jah nah sleep, my people. Zane, some people, you don't know the thing of people. Are the attacking boss there and NEWLINK himself and you don't know. I just more love, more respect and more blessings for people. And just be safe out there, my people, and just do the right thing. You understand? Continue bless upon yourself, people. Continue supporting the attacking boss people because you don't want to support my people. Me can't continue this. You understand? So you don't know how important your support is. Your watch, your views, your like, your share, your comment. Everything, my people, is so important to the attacking boss. And that's why I say my fans are my number one thing. You understand? Love you all, my people. And remember, people, please support the NEWLINK Back to School Treat September 2021, my people. Me need the help. Me need the support, my people. I've been doing this for over the years. You know, for over the years, everybody who is a true NEWLINK fan, them know say you a long time we are do this, people. I'm one of the people and for joining on board and support the movement, support the thing, people. You understand? Stand up for the attacking boss, people. And yo, I just more love people. Let's look out for the look ones, them. Let's look out for the less fortunate, them, my people, because yo, without them, you don't know the thing. Peace out, my people. Attack for that wicked piece of sin thing there over in the Barbados. Attack. No leniency, no joke, no play. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Rest in peace, mama. Jaja.